All right, time to take a look at the Amazon Basics Heavy Duty Polycarbonate Chair Mat. So this thing is very big. It's much bigger than I was expecting. Even though I looked at the sizes on it, it still is kind of shocking how big it is. It's also super thick, which is what makes this thing so good for heavy people, because I love polycarbonate mats, but I'm so heavy that I always just crush them and make them crack. This guy, you can actually see, is about 1/4 of an inch thick. So that is a very thick sheet of polycarbonate. Most of these things are like 1/8 or even thinner. So that's why they always give way when you put a lot of weight on them, especially on a carpet. And I love the polycarbonate mats, but as a thick boy, I absolutely wreck them. I actually had one that only lasted about a month. So with that extra thickness on here, that's going to have more material that's going to make the thing hold up, which is why this thing is rated for 500 pounds. I think even if I wasn't a thick boy and I was in the market for a good mat, this is the one I would get, just because it's so heavy duty and so big. Like, there is a lot of room to move a chair on this thing. You can see it is kind of tapered, but it is rounded off, so you don't have to worry about cutting your toes or anything like that. There's a texture on this side, and it is glossy on the other side, so there is a super smooth finish on there. I have heard of people putting Velcro on the bottom of these things. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I'm going to try it and see how it is like this. I think the best thing I can do, especially because this doesn't actually have a lip, I'm actually going to pick the desk up, put the feet on here, and that should hold it in place. So I'm going to try that and see how that works. But yeah, super nice mat, and I'm very happy that I got this.